Hello. Welcome to Bista Solution.
Today we are going to discuss Acumatica Shopify integration.
Hello everyone, today I am going to show you the integration between Acumatica and Shopify. So let me log in. So now we have logged in into our Acumatica. Let's go to our commerce module. So here we can establish or create our new Shopify stores. So I have created a demo store called Vimal Store. I have entered the API key, password, secret, everything, and selected a relevant plan so that I can use the relevant features of the Shopify. Then I have created some entities like customer location, stocks which are required to create a transaction back and forth from Shopify to Acumatica. Then I have set some customer defaults. Similarly, I have set some inventory defaults, like I want to track the inventory. Then I have set the default settings for sales orders and shipping. Similarly, I have set some defaults for my payment methods also. So I set it as cash on delivery, COD, manual, online transfer, payment, Shopify, etc. Now let me show you an example how the data is integrated from Acumatica to Shopify. So I select one stock item. This is my Acer laptop computer. So here MSRP is 500 and default price is 350. Under attributes we have a picture, and under description we have a long description for this item. Now if we go to our Shopify store, let me refresh it once. So if I open the item, so I have the picture, I have the unit price, and I have the description as well, which is being directly pulled from Acumatica. So let's change the default price. I set it as 400. And now let's push these changes into Shopify. So I'll prepare the data. Okay, my data is prepared. Now I will process this data. Okay, now the changes are being pushed to Shopify. So let's open our Shopify page and let's refresh it. Okay, you can see now the price has been changed to $400. Now let's create a sample transaction, a sales order. So let me take you to my admin panel of Shopify store, where I can see all the orders from different customers which are being paid or unpaid, and which are either fulfilled or unfulfilled. I can see the products. So these are my products, and I can see their relevant quantities also. Then I can see the customers. So right now I am having 4 customers. Let's pick one of the customer and create a new sales order. So this is the previous sales order which is unfulfilled. Let's create a new one. Let's browse for the product. Let's receive the payment from the customer. Let's say it's an online transfer. Okay, now we have created a new sales order 1010, which is unfulfilled and paid. So now we'll push this data into Acumatica. So let's prepare our data. Now process these changes. Now let's see our sales order screen. We have a new sales order coming in. So Shopify has pushed the same order 1010 into Acumatica along with customer order number and external reference number. We can see the item with quantity, unit price, everything. Let's fulfill this order. We'll create a shipment. A shipment is created. Okay, I forgot one thing. So let me just quickly show you the prepayment as well. So since we have received a payment against our sales order, so Acumatica, Shopify has created a prepayment, and the same prepayment has been pushed into Acumatica as well with reference to that particular sales order. Now let's open the sales order. Let's put our item in the package. And let's refresh our ShipWire. Let's select a FedEx to ship this item. And now since everything is in place, let's confirm our shipment. So before confirm, we focus on the tracking number. So once we confirm the shipment, system will automatically generate a new tracking number. So a tracking number has been generated automatically. Now we need to push this information back into our Shopify store. So let's prepare and process the data again. This time we will prepare the data for the shipment. So let's process all the three shipments. I believe 3541 is the one which we are focused on. So let's see our Shopify screen. So now it is unfulfilled. Let's refresh the screen. So now the data has been pushed and we can see the order has been fulfilled along with the tracking number. And the tracking number, it's a drill down button. We can click on it and we can see the tracking details. So this concludes our demo. We have created a new sales order. We have fulfilled it. We have received the payment from the customer. So this is how Acumatica and Shopify works. Thank you.
If you like to get more information on Acumatica Shopify integration, reach out to us at sales@bystaysolutions.com. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.